Hey guys, I'm back and I cannot be any more excited to say the shop is done. The shop is done. I cannot believe the turnout that it actually came to be. It's been so much work. Like, you have no idea how much work I've been doing behind the scenes to get this done so I can have my cars in here. And there's a lot of big news coming up and I can't wait to share it with you, so watch the whole video. It has been 6 months in the process of building this shop and it has been totally worth it. 1, I have way more space. 2, it's located right at my house. 3, I can call it legitimately mine. I made it, I built it, and I designed it. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a tour on the shop and tell you what's in store for the Suicide MX3. So here's the first walk in here. My truck, my car. All the other cars haven't been moved in yet. Getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there. All right, let's see this stuff. So you just walked in the front of my house and now it is the shop. So this is going to be a wall for tools. So I'm gonna have an assortment of tools. I'm gonna try to hang all of them I can so I can actually optimize some space and not have a toolbox. So there's gonna be more tools here. I have some very shallow shelving that's flush with stuff that was already wasted room. All this is good to go. I'm gonna have my chargers for my Milwaukee stuff here and also the scaffolding. So there's scaffolding here and there's scaffolding here. And I can pop my head up in there. It's already lit up. I have shelves there, shelf there. And walking over this way, this is huge amount of room in here in this scaffolding. So I have 3 entrances, one here, and one here. And there's shelves on that and shelves in there. And then this will be all for my small stuff. And I've got lighting everywhere. As you can see, she's well lit, much better for my filming because there's not any shadowing in this room at all. So the floor. So I poured all this concrete, got this all poured, then I got it epoxy. So the floor is purple, gray, and black, and you probably know why it's purple. Obviously inspired by the Suicide MX3. I got a sweet light. My fiance actually got that made for me. Looks sick. And I'm honestly so pumped about this. This is super professional, super new, super clean, and it's gonna be super organized. So I don't want clutter anywhere, and I actually have some more room for storage as well. So behind me, that is a bay door to my backyard. So I also have a pad in the backyard. I can park cars on it, and I can store a whole bunch of more stuff because I put 2 sheds up. So I have 2 sheds in my backyard, and one is over 130 square feet. The other one is about 100. All right, let's open the back. This goes to my backyard. So here's my back pad. It is actually huge, so I can get like 2 cars back in here and easily 2 cars in here with room to work on them. The goal is to be able to store 3 in here. So I can go 1, 2, and then 3. And then I can have 1 and 2 there, worst case, because like honestly guys, I'm not trying to hoard stuff, but I do want the projects. This is gonna be my full-time gig, YouTubing, making videos for you, and burning tires, doing donuts, doing drag racing, and doing a whole bunch of road trips, crazy stories, crazy times, and just having an absolute blast with the cars. Like I said, here's the pad, and then there's my shed. So I have a huge shed right there, very freshly put up, and there is another one also back there. This is a very big backyard. I basically renovated this entire place all summer. It's been 5.5 months and it's looking great. I'm gonna literally have all my stuff here at my hands. I can literally walk outside because this is my house, and I'm going to literally wrench on my stuff any moment I can. Yeah, so that is something very important I did need to tell you guys, is that I'm going to be doing full-time YouTube. So I'm going to actually have videos out every week again, and it's going to be proper stuff like I've been doing, and all the cars are getting new trannies. Maybe someone's getting all-wheel drive and might be a red car. And then the Suicide MX3 is also getting new trannies and gonna be an absolute monster with 2 fully built motors. Good to go. Going to be an absolute amazing time. I have all the parts for everything, and I'm going to do it all right here in this shop that I just built. I cannot be any more happy. I'm very excited for the near future, and I honestly miss you guys so much. I miss posting and all this, but honestly, this was an absolute nightmare. There were so many issues with the projects. There was just a whole bunch of time that I didn't want to spend, but guess what? It's done, and I'm back, and that's all that matters. And I know there was a big lull in the content and stuff, and it's not because I've lost interest. I've literally put every blood, sweat, and tear I have left in my body into this so I can do this, and that is exactly what I'm gonna do. There's absolutely nothing that can stop me from building these cars, and let's get it, let's get it. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on all my stuff every time I post if you're a big fan. If you don't, just get out of here. Just stop watching right now. But anyways, oh my God, guys, this is pure bliss. I'm so happy, and I can't wait to continue building these cars and really putting some serious content out on what I'm doing, on what I would like to do, and all the learning I've done. And I want to share what I've learned and just keep doing exactly what I've been doing, but more professional. This shop is absolutely insane, and the cars are going to be more insane. I've still got a bit of time here. I've got to move in all my tools. I've got to move all my cars. I have to do a whole bunch of stuff, but in the very near future, I'm gonna be putting a lot of time into all this rather than working full time and then doing this. This is going to be priority, and I'm going to just go with it, get this stuff done ASAP, and get right back into it. Let's get it. So, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.